Today, we are going to delve into how to ask for information in Greek. First up, we delve into the most basic way to ask for information in Greek. Here are some examples.
Πού έχει φαρμακείο? Πού είναι το ξενοδοχείο? Πού είναι το μετρό?
Now, we move on to asking what in Greek. The word "t" is used to ask what something is, or what someone is doing. We'll go through examples and practice saying them out loud to make sure we're getting the hang of it.
Τι ώρα είναι? Τι είναι αυτό?
Now we'll focus on how to ask who in Greek. Pay close attention to the pronunciation. In Greek, the combination of O and I produces a sound similar to E in English.
Ποιος είναι αυτός? Ποιος το έκανε αυτό?
Finally, we'll explore how to ask why in Greek. Like in English, it is used to ask why something happened or why someone did something. Let's hear some sentences.
Γιατί έφυγες? Γιατί το έκανε αυτό?
That wraps up our lesson today on requesting information in Greek. If you found value in this video, we would love your support. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our future language explorations. See you in the next video.